Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. On this channel we focus on how to make money online, be it through remote jobs, apps, surveys, mystery shopping, anyhow to make money online. That is what we do. So today I want us to look at Rev. You know that Rev is one of the highest paying transcription companies out there. So yeah, they pay really well, and the good part is that they pay weekly. And I see a lot of people in my comment section asking or saying that Rev is not hiring. Rev is always hiring. Remember, Rev is always hiring. The thing is, the application process or the waiting list takes about 4 to 12 weeks because of a lot of freelancers are submitting application every day. So like it has a waiting list, there's a queue before it gets to your turn, so you have to be patient. But what matters is, have you submitted your application yet? So instead of saying they are not hiring because you feel you want to get approved immediately, why not submit your application first and wait for the approval? Yeah, so when you come to this page, just click on freelancers, and you can see that Rev is always hiring. The application window is always open, unlike some that would say we are not hiring anymore at this time. It's open. Okay, so it's a work from home job, something you do from the comfort of your home. It says if you want to enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere, work from home as a transcriptionist with Rev. Freelancers at Rev are detailed, oriented people who follow Rev's styling rules to accurately type and correct draft transcript. So to become a transcript, what do? You convert audio or video messages into text, and you must have strong English skills. Remember, you need to have a computer and a dependable internet connection. So again, Rev pay weekly via PayPal, and that is why I always preach about getting a PayPal account. You're looking to apply for job with Rev, but you don't have a PayPal account. Most of these transcription companies, like I always say, they pay through PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, I'm sorry, don't apply. If you're not even ready to get a PayPal account, I'm still sorry, don't apply. So Rev pay through PayPal weekly, and then the average earning is between $245 per month to $1,495 top monthly earning. So depending on how many jobs you take up in a week, that will determine how much you're going to make. So if you're lazy and you're completing small jobs and maybe one job per week, so you're gonna earn very little. You must be committed, because when you start working, if you're approved to work for Rev, I'm telling you honestly, you're going to quit your 9 to 5. You're going to definitely quit your 9 to 5. So again, don't forget that they are one of the highest paying transcription companies. Also, try and improve on your typing skills. Some of you don't even know how to transcribe. There are courses even on YouTube, free courses on YouTube to help you learn how to transcribe. There are also softwares and applications that can help you transcribe. Again, you need a headset and sometimes foot pedal that would help you type and do your work faster. So come here, put in your name and your email address and select your country. They hire worldwide, and then you submit your application. It takes between 4 to 12 weeks. It says There's currently a wait list because we're experiencing a much higher level of interest from new freelancers. You can still apply. Note this, you can still apply. So I mistakenly applied again because I've applied before. So it says your sign up request is currently awaiting approval. You will receive an email when a decision has been made. So when you're approved, you will take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev's styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. You're going to be able to choose from available transcription jobs. You'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. You get paid weekly via PayPal. So you will get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. So these are all you need to note before you apply. But most importantly, go and submit your applications now and have patience. Be patient. Wait for 4 to 12 weeks. Sometimes it's not up to that long you get your reply. So this is Rev's styling rules, the guideline. So I'll leave this guideline in my Patreon. If you want, you can go there and check it out. I don't want to be leaving all this important document on the YouTube. So you can go to my Patreon and get this. Okay. So this is the guideline for Rev. Things you need to note before you even take the test. Okay. The formatting, the notation tags, the infrared speaker labels, and all. And the accuracy. There's one for verbatim and non-verbatim, for example, and so on. I think we should go to the movies tonight because of the discount lapse. I think we should go to the movies tonight because of the discount. This is non-verbatim, while this one is verbatim. So I like called her. Called her like yesterday, and like she was like sleeping. Probably she was just like really tired. And non-verbatim says I called her yesterday and she was sleeping. Probably she was just really tired. So you need to note this, your accuracy, and all that you need to know before you even go for that quiz. Because if you fail it, you're not getting in until after 45 days. Okay, it's really important that you go through these guidelines to be sure of what you're doing. Okay guys, so Rev is always hiring. Don't be discouraged. Don't say, oh, I did not get my application in 1 week. No, they're always hiring. The window is always open. What you do is submit your application and hope for the best. Wait for the application to be reviewed, and the reason why it takes long is because a lot of people now want to transition into work from home. Nobody wants to go to the office anymore, so there are queues, especially freelancers. Okay, so have patience. Come and apply. Send in your application. I just remembered this morning and I said no, I need to share it with you guys. Go and submit your application worldwide. Rev is always hiring worldwide. Okay, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to make a video on free transcription lessons that you can take and perfect your skills. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please guys, always leave a like on the videos. You guys don't like leaving a like on my videos. You watch without leaving a like. Can you please leave a like at least on the videos? okay, and leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys in another video later today.